Section 2.3, Capacity. Capacity is the amount of liquid that an object can hold when it's full. When liquid such as milk is being described in gallons or quarts, this is measure of capacity. The 5 main units for measuring capacity in the US system are fluid ounce, cup, pint, quart, and gallon. This is the table of unit equivalents. 1 cup is equivalent to 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint is equivalent to 2 cups. 1 quart is equivalent to 2 pints, or 1 quart is equivalent to 4 cups. 1 gallon is equivalent to 4 quarts, or 1 gallon also is equivalent to 16 cups. When converting units, we need to use this table in order to convert the units back and forth. Example 2. Determine the number of pints in 2 3/4 gallons. So we're given 2 3/4 gallons, and we want to convert that into pints. So we have gallon and we want pint. So first, we are going to write 2 3/4 of gallons in a fractional form. So what I'll do, I'll convert 2 3/4 into a fraction. In order to convert this mixed number into fraction, I'll take the whole number part, multiply by the denominator, and add to the numerator. 2 times 4 plus 3. And the numerator stays the same, which is 4. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. So instead of 2 3/4, I will use 11 over 4. 11 over 4 gallons is equivalent to 11 gallons over 4. And from here, we want to convert that into pints. So by checking my table, I don't have the direct conversion between gallon and pints, but I do have gallon to quarts and then quarts to pint. So what I would do is convert this gallon into quart first, and then convert from quart to pints. So I will multiply by a fraction, and this fraction needs to be equal to 1. And I want to cancel out the gallon and give me back quart. So gallon here is in the numerator. To cancel that out, gallon must be in the denominator here. And I want quart, so quart should be in the numerator. And I want this green fraction to be 1. That means the amount in the numerator should be equivalent to the amount in the denominator. So from here, I have 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 gallon, 4 quarts. Since 1 gallon is equivalent to 4 quarts, so when you take 4 quarts divided by 1 gallon, this is equivalent to 1. And from here, gallon is canceling each other out. Now, if I stop right here, I will have quart. But the question doesn't ask me to convert gallon to quarts. It asks me to convert from gallon to pints, so I need to keep going. So now I'm multiplying by another fraction, and this fraction must be equivalent to 1 as well, because I don't want to change the value of 11 over 4. I just want to convert the gallon. So make sure that all of the fraction that I'm multiplying to is always equivalent to 1. So I have quart here in the numerator. In order to cancel this out, I have to have quart in the denominator. And I want to convert from quart to pint, so pint should be in my numerator. And from this table, I know that 1 quart is equivalent to 2 pints. So this blue fraction is 1 because 2 pints is equal to 1 quart. So if I take 2 pints divided by 1 quart, this is 1. And from here, quart is canceled out. I end up with 11 times 4 times 2 pints over 4 times 1 times 1. From here, instead of taking 11 times 4 times 2 and then 4 times 1 times 1, I noticed that I have 4 as a common factor. So 4 can cancel each other out. I will end up with 11 times 2 pints over 1, which is 22 pints. Example 2. Natasha is making lemonade to bring to the beach. She has 2 containers. One holds 1 gallon and the other holds 2 quarts. If she fills both containers, how many cups of lemonade will she have? The question is asking how many cups of lemonade will she have if she filled up 1 gallon bottle and then 2 quart bottle. So we have 2 bottles. One is 1 gallon and the other one is 2 quarts. And they want to know how many cups. In order to figure out how many cups there are in total, we need to know how many cups there are in 1 gallon and how many cups there are in 2 quarts. So going back to our table, 1 gallon is equivalent to 16 cups. So in this bottle, we have 16 cups. And go back to the table. I know that 1 quart is 4 cups. Now I have 2 quarts. That means I have 8 cups. So in this bottle, I have 8 cups. So in one bottle, I have 16 cups. In the other bottle, I have 8 cups. To find the total number of cups that I have in both bottles, I'll take 16 plus 8, which is 24 cups.